think it's a distributor issue. Didn't seem to be firing on number 4. If it is, that's awesome because I have another distributor I can throw in there. If it's not, then who knows. So we're going to start with a compression test. Might as well do all 4, and we'll get a look at how the engine's doing. If the compression's good, we'll put the distributor in. If it works, then it's a 3-day weekend, man. Let's put the dual carbs in too. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, here we go. This is number 1. Number 2. This is number 3. Number 4. Good compression. Guess it's time to make an executive decision and just go for the dual carbs. The new distributor I was going to put in is a Magnus Spark, and the plan was to do that when I did the dual carbs. Let's just do it. You know, I've got great compression. There's no reason not to. So this is going to be suddenly a much longer video. Let's do it, man. I know this has nothing to do with cars, but you saw me fighting the bugs. These really work. I only wish they lasted a little longer. They last about half an hour, 45 minutes. Still, totally worth it. Keeps the mosquitoes off me, because they love me. So before I start messing with the carbs, I want to do this. What I'm doing is putting some clamps on the back of the fan shroud. See that? What this will do is let me run the line from the carb over here. It'll fasten into this, and same on this side. And there will be a T right here so that it goes down to the pump. Riv nuts are the best, although I suck at drilling apparently because there's a little flash of metal there, but whatever. These aren't critical, they're just keeping the lines nice and neat. That's that stuff hiding in there. And, yep, rib nut tool. So good. Well, it didn't take me long to screw that up. I didn't account for the fittings. I was thinking the T, and there was room for the T, but all the fittings. So I'm gonna put one here, and one here, over here, and over there, as far as I can get it without it being a problem. Right there, and there. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Just like that. If I only had a brain. Oh well. Maybe I'll need these for something later. If not, whatever. That's better. And the holes look a little cleaner too. None of this flash sticking out like I did over here. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to work those a little bit. Oh, this one worked right there. Nice. This one needs a little love. Ain't no thing. Oh yeah, that's much better. So there's room. And it's finished, and it's not going anywhere. I like this. This is way better. Yeah. I like this a lot. So this will just go to the pump. Sweet. Right there. Yeah. I like that. Put a grommet in here after I paint it. But I like that a lot. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see this, but look at that crack. What the hell? How does that even happen? I was going to reuse this. I mean, I suppose I still could. The important part is up here. But why is that cracked? Why is that cracked? What the hell? Is there a crack down here too? No, this is good. Oh, wait. Crack right there. What about the other side? What are you doing? You got a crack? Got a crack here? Yep, right back there. That's cracked. What about over here? Is there a crack up here? No, that one looks like it's supposed to be that way. Anyway, fan shot's off. Happily, aside from a twig, no leaks and no problems with the oil coolers. That's nice. Not gonna fuck with it if it's working. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm very happy. And it's dirty, obviously. Well, I guess I gotta go see if I can find the new cylinder head tins. Great. They're in the garage somewhere. I'm sure. Probably. Maybe. Alright. A closer look at that mangled cylinder head tin. Yep, that's pretty bad. That's fine. What the fuck happened here? It just ripped apart. I don't even know. You know where this is from, I'll bet? When the alternator strap broke. I'll bet. The whole thing was vibrating and shaking. I'll bet you that's what that is. Okay, I feel better. Alright, let's see how this tests out. 3.7. Okay, we're good. I think you can go up to 4-ish. 3.5 if I scrape a little. Alright. How about this one? $8K. Hang on, let me look that one up. Alright, so that's a little bit on the low side, but it's still workable. So yeah, I don't think the coil is the problem. So that leaves this bad boy, which is going to come out of here in a minute. No real way to test this, but it wasn't sending spark everywhere it needed to go. And I took this out and cleaned it just to make sure. The rotor's a little bit worn, but I mean, come on, it's got like 10,000 miles on it. So, focus. So yeah, it's not terrible. Unless the resistor's bad inside there. And that thing doesn't look cooked or anything. I mean, it's a little dirty, but the label came off, apparently. So yeah, this thing's going away. Alright, it's getting late, and I got a lot to clean up. But I made some good progress. I broke my fan. I think those cracks were already there. And when I took the nut off, it just finished the job. Bummer. Luckily I had another fan that was on the old engine, but still. Here's the old beat up fan shroud. This has had, considering it's only a couple years old, it's pretty jacked. Whatever. But we got the new one in place. I've still got to take this off and replace it with the one for the distributor. This nut, I think, has to come off for the coil that goes right there. I've still got to find some tin for the cylinder heads and the cylinders. And I did a little bit of cleanup and stuff too. That needs to come out a little further. Something's caught somewhere. Oh yeah, one of these is for the center pole for the dual carbs. That's what it was. I've still got to move this. This was temporary, so it's been there since I put it on. So good job. I'm gonna move this down underneath somewhere. I haven't decided exactly where yet, but I want to get rid of all the dangly hoses and shit. And since I'm going with AN lines and AN fittings, I'd like to have it all hidden and keep all this up here as nice as possible. Oh, that was what this was for. I'm still debating whether I want to throw the serpentine belt on there. I have a serpentine belt kit, and I haven't decided yet. Oof. Definitely no longer aligned. Interesting. Close, but no cigar. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. It's hard to tell until you get a belt on it. But anyway, this hose is going to go away altogether, because I'm going to put an AN fitting on here, maybe? Ruh-roh. That's no bueno. I thought this was a threaded in NPT, but I was thinking that side with a little filter on it. But this is the output side. Alright. I may have to get an NPT to a barb fitting for this. That'd be fine. It'll be back behind here anyway. But yeah. Yeah, still got lots to do before I can even think about putting the carbs on here. Glad it's a 3-day weekend. Alright guys, I'm going to make this a part 1. And we'll do part 2. We'll film that tomorrow, but it takes me a while to edit since I don't have a ton of time. I kind of like this aluminum backplate. It's a CB part. I think it looks better. Yeah. I had to paint it, obviously. It was just bare aluminum.